Today was actually a good day for Minnesotans in the hospitality industry as Governor Tim Walz makes his anticipated announcement of loosening restrictions. Our Alex Tejada is live in the studio tonight to break down how things are changing. Alex.
Caitlin, there was good news for bars and restaurants today. They can reopen for indoor dining starting Monday, but only at 50% capacity and must stop serving at 10 p.m. Walz says the dial has been turned forward, but the state is at a critical point moving forward.
There was one point in a couple days in December when Minnesota had the highest infection rates in the world and that our hospitals were approaching 98% capacity. But through a lot of hard work and a lot of planning and a lot of sacrifice by Minnesotans, everybody who needed a bed got one.
And now with a slower spread of COVID-19, restrictions are loosening.
We get our economy back and we start getting back into these wonderful places that are far more than places just to grab a hamburger. It's where all of those important things in our life happen, from birthdays to anniversaries to just great times.
Walz is optimistic life could eventually go back to normal.
Almost 100,000 or more as we speak today have been vaccinated. Those are our frontline nurses. They're our long-term care. They're the folks that are most vulnerable. And that's only accelerating. We got notice yesterday we'll receive another 66,000 doses by Monday. So it will start to continue on.
However, he urges Minnesotans to continue to follow health guidelines so we can get back to our lives sooner.
That keeps your local bar and restaurant open. It keeps your school open. It keeps your hospital capacity under. And we know that the data supports it strongly.
Knowing another spike is largely dependent on Minnesotans' behavior.
Our restaurants can do this. They can do it safely. The health data supports them on this. Let's not let it get back up again.
The max capacity of gyms are also being increased. You can see the full list of changes at kttc.com. And despite these lower numbers, Walz reminds Minnesotans these case numbers are still higher than they were in the summer. More than 2,600 cases and 67 deaths in the state were reported today. Reporting live in the studio, Alex Tejada, KTTC News.
Thanks, Alex.